Welcome to Investor Expert, your go-to source for smarter, faster, and future-proof finance. Today, we're diving into a powerful topic. What I'd do if I had to start completely from zero in 2025. No money, no connections, no experience. Just pure hustle, strategy, and smart execution. If you're starting over or just getting started, this is exactly what I'd do to rebuild wealth step by step in today's world. First, the priority would be generating cash flow fast. Before building wealth, you need money coming in consistently. I'd begin by monetizing any existing skill I have, like writing, organizing, speaking English, or basic tech knowledge. If I didn't have any usable skills, I'd spend the first few weeks learning something valuable for free online. Maybe content writing, Canva design, or managing social media accounts. From there, I'd offer freelance services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or LinkedIn. Even at beginner rates, it's realistic to make $500 to $1,000 a month just by staying consistent and showing up every day. The focus isn't on being perfect, but on getting paid and building momentum. Next, I'd focus on learning a high-income skill. This is what will really start to change the game. I choose one thing, whether it's running Facebook ads, writing copy, managing client emails, or learning how to use AI tools, and go all in. I'd spend 1-2 hours every day mastering it, applying what I learn on real projects, even for free at first if necessary, just to build a portfolio and get results. Once I get good, I can start charging more. $50 to $100 an hour is possible with proof and consistency. Within 3 months, I'd aim to turn my side hustle into a real income stream. While I'm working and earning, I'd keep my lifestyle extremely minimal. No new gadgets, no expensive food delivery, no lifestyle upgrades. I'd focus on saving aggressively, cutting unnecessary expenses, and stacking every dollar. The faster I hit my first $5,000 to $10,000 in savings, the more control I have over my decisions. That money becomes my freedom fund. It also gives me room to invest and take bigger steps without being stressed about rent or bills. As soon as I've saved my first few $100s, I'd start investing. Even if it's just $50 a month, I'd get into the habit right away. I'd start with low-cost index funds or ETFs, and I'd also put a small percentage, maybe 5 to 10%, into long-term plays like Bitcoin or Ethereum. I wouldn't chase hype or get-rich-quick schemes. The goal is to build consistent habits and let compound growth work for me over time. If there's a chance to invest in fractional real estate or something like REITs, I'd explore that too. At the same time, I'd start building my personal brand. Even if I'm not an influencer, documenting my journey online gives me leverage. I'd post short videos or write simple posts about what I'm learning, how I'm helping clients, and what's working for me financially. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are powerful right now. Sharing the journey attracts people, builds trust, and eventually leads to opportunities like clients, collaborations, or digital product sales. It's one of the best ways to multiply your impact in 2025. So if I were starting from zero, my roadmap would be simple. Build cash flow fast, go deep on a high-income skill, live cheap and stack money, start investing as early as possible, and build an online presence to create long-term leverage. It's not about being perfect. It's about taking action, staying focused, and playing the long game. Most people won't do it, but if you're watching this, you already have the mindset to win. Thanks for tuning in to Investor Expert. If you're ready to build your comeback story in 2025, drop a comment below and let me know what your first move would be. Don't forget to subscribe for more smart, actionable finance content, and I'll see you in the next one.